Good morning, students. Welcome to science class. I hope you all have learned the difference between sandy soil, clay soil, and loamy soil. Today, I am going to discuss next two topics. These are colors of soil and why is soil important. Now, open your book on page 103 and let's start reading. Colors of soil. Soil is of many colors. One type of soil looks and feels different from the other. The color and the feel of soil changes as you dig deeper into the ground. Underline word dig and write its meaning. Plow. Now come along. Water also affects the color of soil. Wet soil is usually darker than dry soil. Underline word affects and write its meaning change. Now underline word usually and write its meaning normally. Students, the color and nature of soil depend not only on the place but also the depth under the ground from where it is taken. And you know, water also changes the color of soil. Wet soil is normally darker than dry soil. Students, on the uppermost layer of the soil, you will see dark color because it is rich in organic matter, that is humus. And as you go deeper, the color becomes lighter because the amount of organic matter is less. Now students, next topic is why is soil important? Soil is important for growing plants. Plants prepare their food from minerals and water obtained from the soil. Animals feed on plants. Underline word obtained and write its meaning to get. Students, plants make their food by the process of photosynthesis using sunlight, water and minerals. They get water and minerals from soil to make their food. And children, you know, all animals and human beings also depend on plants for food. Now come along. Second point is soil provides shelter to many worms, insects like earthworms, ants, beetles, etc. and other organisms. Underline word shelter and write its meaning home. Now underline word organisms and write its meaning living beings. Students, soil is the home to many insects like millipede, centipedes, earthworms and ants. They all live in soil. Soil is the habitat, means living place of all these organisms. Now come along. Number third is animals like moles, mice and rabbits make burrows and live in soil. Underline word burrows and write its meaning hole. Number fourth is our food crops also grow in soil. If there is no soil, there will be no food for us. Children, soil provides water, air and nutrients that a plant needs to grow. Crops like cereals, pulses, fruits and vegetables, these all grow in soil and we all depend on soil for food. And you know, if there would be no soil, we would have no plants and no food to eat. Now come along. Number fifth point is buildings and houses are made on soil. Now student, last point is soil is also used to make pottery, bricks, etc. Now underline word pottery and write its meaning, pots made of clay. Students, clay soil is used by potters to make different kinds of pots as well as toys, as it can hold a lot of water in it. Now let's revise. Why should we protect our soil? We should protect our soil as it is used for growing plants, food crops and making houses. Second question is, why is soil important? Soil is important for growing plants, food crops, making houses, etc. Students, through this chapter, I hope you all are able to understand that how soil is formed, what is the soil made up of, to differentiate between different types of soil, and the last, to identify the different layers of soil. Now students, read the chapter again and also revise the terms as well as questions. Thank you.